What's that?
I nominate Wolf. This one feels nice and soft.
Hi.
When I put the lollipop in my mouth, I like to pet it, you know? Tell me it's okay.
Your lip gloss.
Snapchat filter for you, like.
Selfie, I like you.
Is this
Why
stuff?
how I got these scars?
Killed by a candy cane.
I'm gonna finish Wolf, please.
Do you remember? Killed by a candy cane?
Oh my god, I have candy canes.
No, it doesn't happen in a picture of mine.
No, I can like open them, like hook them onto.
Oh, you're raw.